Welcome back to Pop Info. The update we will get for our table today. Now be say Asari Dokubo boys, they use Igbo people, they do business. Things are happening. These people go from Port Harcourt or River State, where then they come inside Southeast, come carry person the name of kidnap, carry them go inside bush, go they collect money from their hand. Thank God say the security men wey dey on ground don capture them and also identify them as Asari Dokubos men. My people, we are going to play the videos for us to watch, but before we jump inside that video, please try to share this video so that other people will get the information how it dey go. Watch the video from beginning to end. If you don't understand anything, you ask questions, we are going to reply to you in a comment section.
Huh? Woke up my baby. You are from River State. You don't just enter here, ba. Can you get out of Kebano? And not watch that is where Kebi Domina. Huh? You can't find your girlfriend for where? From this place. You want Ibonyara? Tell yourself truth. You want pass where? Huh? You want pass where? Okay, don't worry. You don't want to tell yourself truth. Huh? Tell yourself truth. Tell yourself truth. You can't find who? Where is your man? You don't get anybody name. You don't get their name. You don't get anybody name. You don't get anybody. Okay. You don't enter now.
What is your place? Straight from where?
You don't enter now.
Straight from where?
No problem.
Oh, yeah. No, she.
Oh, munnem lenu muta. Muta no patrol na bale. Puta fu muta no na nduru umago. Nduru Old Express umago. Fona blood juru everywhere. You have number the motor. Everywhere blood. So I am only here, but I want to ATM card. You're happy. You have blood, yeah. You have got blood, yeah. Car shoe, yeah. So I am only with the motor and the key on the motor. Car gallon had one. I am with the person up till now. So come when I have Munle the blood of that person. Oh, you singlet had the cash. Yeah, and drew she a panta we put Old Express. The queen here, I can trace the corner. And when Ulu no corner as we be ni. Him na gakita na can go she have come sit down where balls of the person no way. One hare yanana. You know, born now and beat them Bioko, India. Yeah, beat them Bioko, India. The queen here. Here was her blood. Here, Moko. Here on Ihan on Yajangan. Kakuhano, how met to Mutai with the machine. Dodges here. You know, by here, I use them. I'm about going to the other side. I can't with the Tahanka.
Yes. And then we'll have brought them in. Banana and many land.
Yeah, inside the house. Yeah, inside the house. The house happen at the ha biri n'ụlọ ha biri room niile ha nwa ebe
ha bi ebi ebe ha bi ebi n'ịkpanta ebe ha bi na room ha bi n'ịkpanta ebe ha bi n'ịkpanta n'ịkpanta ya o ahụ seguzo magana seguzo magana yes seguzo
ha bi ebe niile
ha chichi ni ha de
esiri wenni
ma security na na afọ ha nọ
na palọ Igbo ihe ndị ha ṅụtara ihe ndị ha
arabi Igbo ndị ha butere ha si were buru ha bịa o onye ka butere n'ụlọ were buru ha bịa ihe a nwoke nwe ụlọ a ihe a nwunye ya ihe a nwoke nwe ụlọ a ọ dị mmiri n'ije
ebe niile oge bọtụ ma ụlọ elu ndị achịmdunu ụmụaka ọlụ
yes. Yesterday night around 8 p.m. Mo and Abata with brother. So on the one me on that. You understand? So on come motor park along the line. You know, all here Highlander. One is down a quarter. My hand go for so more about for it. You know, stop them about the house stop when they are near Goku. I would try to move the allowance. You for the motor at the process
from Oluakwa.
No Macadia. So the cross on the simulator, Marito, how drive the motor. Take them Nabu to the Highlander Harbour. If I can get the food on them deck.
Okay, how was you doing?
Yes, sir.
Before Ngoma?
Yes.
I have one.
I'm James Yamama from.
Go on.
I'm Oluchuku from Orodo.
And Orodo. Go on.
I'm Wanyambise.
Wanyambise.
I'm going to do anybody from that side.
Keba with them with the
same side.
Never.
After Ukwoji. After Ukwoji, that's Ebe trailer park. Ebe trailer na park. Then front, I one small checking point. I just know the police.
Okay.
So I push there. I check there. So we lay in Napa. So Henji.
Hajebe.
Ejebu, AK-47.
AK-47.
Then I saw work with Yenchuri travel because my mom one more choice. It's an IJ travel can allow there.
Okay.
So from there, so when the motor, so home one, the man pick up news. I saw what she. By then, I saw this my man, Makayaman Nazo, so you're ready to. You're ready to say. Is worried to so lie down. Before I know this. Man, nyaze biaze na zone. Park kwa yama man. So
obu moto nke kwa.
Obu moto nke ya Highlander.
Okay.
So before na manye neme. So the papa lies down. Atubaze ha boni, atubaze mu na boot. Then nyaze she side irete ko nya. Obako. Baze ni me just na agba okirikiri just awotazi motation agbaze juzu maka yan na boot. Broze ise.
Okay. Elekwe ni enwe ihe akwuru bụ mkpa ha.
After I the this thing, after moto that's the other guy called through. So as soon as I was here, our people. So when is him phone and call my sister. So now I'm here to go like my sister when he came. So mom, I know me
okay.
I say let him now. So it's bad to me here now. Can't go. I jump up my judges. So I sham had that one. So I say let him my sister now. So into. So in fact, I want a permanent thing on girl. So he's a jack of all trades. So yana diabi. But yana dia no channel man like that. So I'm looking at 20 million. So So from there, I call my sister. Hannah, my sister. So my sister saw each that she will reach back to them. So as soon as I can see her, and you preserve, and you papa. So this one get better thing for body now. So this one a big man, he just the lie. So if I know my enemy, I do watch the aquam with the catches him. You can check neighbor.
Yeah.
Then catches him now. Then we make way my people the same thing.
Yes. The same thing.
My phone, my two phone. Then my other one, a message transfer from my OPay account. I'm asking maybe then I call my ATM, and I call my wallet. We take on my wallet with 4,000 naira entered in my pitching goal. The driver made him translate on you now.
Okay.
So that is it.
Can they rescue Zirun?
The rescues are the Urala vigilante.
Urala vigilante.
Yeah, I can't really express it now. How about it too much?
Okay. Because ụmụnne ndị ụnụ na ahụ ya awụ ụmụnne anyị ụmụafọ Igbo ndị kidnappers. Unfortunately, on the way from war, when they went when they kidnap Kanolo, then Bruhan Batawaze Uruala, Ebe Habuhaga, Ekpanta, Kedina Uzua Koli, Uruala. So, fortunately, then when G Guard Hamen abandoned the side of road towards JLKB, white, towards Nduru Umo Bustroko, Mago, Uruala. So Ode Panta Road, Express Road. So we got information, then we abandoned the motor there. From there, we start our investigation. Later on, find out, Umunaya, whenever the money, looking for another vehicle to carry them go out. But fortunately, the god of land and the Onyekere Major. I rescue her and her body. No be small thing, it's a terrible something, but by the special grace of God, we rescue these our brothers. We still search them. So thank you. When you want this security
security in the Urala and the entire community. God bless you people.
Thank you.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. This Asari Dokubo. I don't know how he come with this in private security where they protect Nigeria. Person will get too mad. How it is say he go get people will go do genuine work. Well, the Igbos are very strong people. You cannot intimidate them. If those your boys strong, why they no fit stop? Why some of them they run? You see these ones, they go get other ones with time. So any of your evil agenda against the Igbo people will never come to stand. That is what we promise you, Asari Dokubo. Please, my people, make una share this video as it dey read.